Everybody is looking for ways to ace their home inspection. The good news? A little prep goes a long way. Let's break down what really matters before the inspector arrives. First up, clean and declutter every room. Inspectors need clear access to everything. Think basements, attics, and crawl spaces. A tidy space not only looks great, but it also shows you care for your home. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Replace batteries and make sure each one works. It's a small detail that makes a big impression. Don't forget HVAC filters. Swapping in a fresh filter shows you maintain your systems, and it helps with air quality during the inspection. Unlock any gates, garages, or electrical panels. If the inspector can't reach it, it'll just end up on the report, so make access easy. Check all your faucets and toilets for leaks. Tighten what you can and fix any drips. These are quick wins. Replace burnt-out light bulbs, both inside and outside. This avoids confusion between a dead bulb and a wiring issue. And finally, gather your paperwork, recent repairs, warranties, and maintenance records. Having this handy shows you've stayed on top of things. Remember, prepping for your inspection is about setting the right tone. A little effort now means fewer surprises later, and a smoother path to closing. Good luck, and enjoy that next step in your Colorado home journey.